So yesterday we completed the controlling area creation, right? Next step, define CO document number ranges. Define CO document number ranges. Define CO document number ranges. Every controlling transaction it will generate the document number in controlling. It will create the document number in controlling. It will create the document number in controlling. It will create the document number in controlling based on controlling business transaction. Based on controlling business transaction. Business transaction nothing but document type. Document type in CO. Document type in CO. These business transactions SAP assigned in backend transaction code wise. Assigned in backend transaction code wise. During the transaction process, during the transaction processing, whatever transaction, during the business transaction process, whatever business transaction assigned to the transaction code, system will pick up the document. System will pick up the document number from business transaction. System will pick up the document number from business transaction. Observe the FI and CO document types and number ranges. Document types and number ranges. Differences. FI, you can note down similar, sir. You can note down same. Just observe first. So FI level, we have the document types, right? SCA, KR, DZ, DR, okay, ZP, right? ZV. These are all the document types we have. What is the purpose of document type? Document type mainly used for generating the document number. Okay. Whenever posting any transaction data, we will update the document type in header data. Okay. In header data, based on the document type, program it will pick up the number range from backend. In case of internal, program first it will check the what is the document type assigned in the header. The document type number ranges program will pick up from backend. Okay, in case of internal, program will pick up sequentially, first in first out. Okay, in case if you are following external, then you have to pick up one number from backend number range and you have to give during your transaction posting. Same similar here. Okay, just observe, during the transaction data posting, we have to specify the document type in header and backend document type linked to number range group. Example, SCA linked to 01. Okay, this 01, during I am posting the F-0 to SCA, number range group is 01. Based on number range group 01, we have to maintain the number ranges every year because FI number ranges are year dependent. YD meaning year dependent. Already we covered during our FI process, right? See here, based on the number range group 01, we have to maintain the number ranges every year because FI number ranges are year dependent. Just to see example, company code is LGCA or LGMB. Okay, here number range group 01 we have to maintain in 2022. Example, 2022 number ranges are 1 lakh to 1 lakh 999, some number 1 lakh to 1 lakh 999. Here I processed only 200 documents, only 200 documents in 2022. Okay, we have system, it will post from 0 to 200. Remaining numbers are free in 2022, but those numbers we cannot carry forward to 2023. Okay, 2023 again we have to maintain new number ranges. We have to maintain the new number ranges. Okay, from either 1 lakh to 1 lakh 999 or different to number. Okay, you have to maintain separately. Every financial year we have to maintain FI number ranges separately, right? Why? Because the FI number ranges are year dependent. Every year we have to maintain separately. We cannot carry forward. Okay, we cannot carry forward the from 1 year number range to other year, right? Coming to controlling. Okay, see controlling. This is controlling explanation. Yeah, CO document type name is business transaction. CO document type name is business transaction. Okay, here in FI we are calling as a document type. Okay, but in CO we are calling as a business transaction. Okay, no document types in CO. Document type we have, the document type name we are calling differently, that is business transaction. SAP linked the all CO transactions to business transactions. That means example, F-02 transaction we know, right? F-02, we are during F-02 posting, we are entering the document type manually, right? You can enter either SCA or your custom document type or ZA, ZB, whatever you want, you can enter during the document posting if you use F-02 transaction. But coming to controlling side, we don't have this option to select the document type. We don't have this option to select the document type. Document type here, business transaction. Why? Because SAP already linked each transaction code wise respective business transaction. Okay, that's why no need to select the business transaction during the CO transaction process. Okay, following, right? During the CO transaction process, no need to select the document type. Why? Because SAP already linked to all the CO transactions to business transaction. Okay, yeah, no need to specify the business transaction during the transaction data posting. Okay, no need to specify the business transaction during the transaction posting. Okay, program will pick up from backend assignment. Example, see business transaction XYZ. ABC, ZZZ. Just assume this three business transactions we have. This three business transaction codes we have. This transaction codes, example, CO transaction code XYZ business transaction. Okay, we don't have automatic number range group linkage here. We don't have, generally, if you have one document type in FI level we have 01, right? 01, FI level we have the SA document type linked to 01, right? FI document type, you can pick up one document type SA. In SA level, we have the number range group assignment, right? SA level, we have the number range group assignment. This number range group wise, we have to maintain the number ranges. But coming to controlling, we don't have direct business transaction to number range group linkage. Okay, we don't have direct this CO document type to number range group linkage. We have to create our number range groups manually. Following, right? Here we have only document types. In CO, we have only document types. We don't have number range group. Okay, we don't have number range group. But in FI, we have the document type SA, and SA under we have the number range group assignment also. Whatever number range group assigned to document type, that document number range group level, we have to maintain the number ranges each year wise. But coming to controlling, okay, controlling document type nothing but business transaction. Okay, this business transaction is not linking to number range group. Okay, this business transaction not linking to business number range group. Okay, we don't have automatic number range group link. Okay, not like FI. Example, SA01. We have the document type without number range group linkage. We have to maintain this link manually. Okay, anyway, we have to link this, but manually we have to link. We don't have automatic integration. We don't have automatic linkage. Okay, observe below example. Okay, here create the number range groups and maintain year independent number ranges. Year independent. Sorry, FI number ranges are year dependent. What is the mean by year dependent? Every year we have to maintain the number ranges. Every year we have to maintain the number ranges. But coming to controlling side, we have to maintain the year independent number ranges. Year independent number ranges. Okay, example, we have to create the number range group separately. Manually we have to create the number range group. Example, X1, X2, X3, X4, X5, X10, X100, X infinitive. We can create n number of groups, no limitation. Okay, we can create n number of groups, no limitation. Example, here just observe. Okay, we have the document types, FI postings, FICO postings purpose, we have XYZ document type and ABC document type for planning posting. Okay, ZZZ period end posting. Just assume we have three controlling document types, business transactions. Now, each business transaction wise, you have to create the number range group manually. Okay, see here, X1 for FICO posting, X2 for planning posting, X3 for period end posting. Okay, here X1 level we have to maintain the number ranges, either 1 lakh to 1 lakh 999 or some other number. Okay, better to here these numbers are year independent, right? Year independent, you have to maintain the maximum number. You have to maintain the maximum number. Why? Because it will carry forward same number range it will carry forward to next year until complete. Okay, until complete the number range it will carry forward from 1 year to next year until complete. Following, right? But FI number ranges either complete or incomplete, we cannot carry forward the numbers from 1 year to other year. Following, right? Yes. See here, I'm creating the number range group x1, x2, x3, and this number range group level I'm maintaining the number ranges. Maximum number maintain. Maximum number example 1 maximum zeros to 1 maximum nines. Okay, x2 2 maximum zeros to 2 maximum nines. Some number maintain. Okay, and this finally we have the business transaction XYZ, ABC, ZZZ, and we have the number range group X1, X2, X3. Okay, instead of X1, A1, A2, A3. Okay. This A1, A2, A3, we have to link to our business transactions manually. XYZ link to A1 number range group. Okay, and ABC link to manually. We have to link manually. XYZ link to A1, ABC till ABC link to A2, and ZZZ link to A3. Okay. Now example last document I posted in 2022 I posted 100 documents. Okay, now I'm posting next available number in 2023 is next number. What is the next number? 101 1012 maximum till end numbers are available. These numbers we can use in 2023. Okay, again example in 2023 I used 1000 documents. Next free number is 1001. This 1001, this 1000 from 1001, last number was this. This is the last number. Okay, or we used till this in 2024. It is available from after this number 1001 to maximum number in 2024. Following, right? But in FI, this is not like FI. FI, we cannot carry forward the number ranges from one year to other year. But here, these number ranges are year independent. Okay, year independent. We can use across all the years until complete. Okay, until complete. Then in case of completion, example after 10 years, after 20 years, after 50 years, after 100 years, the number range I used completely. I completely used. Then previous year's number range we have to delete. We have to archive the initial years. Example, I posted 20 years. Last 20th year, it was completed, the number range. Then next to beginning, first, second, third, this 3 years, we have to archive or delete the number ranges, and the same number ranges used for further years. Okay, delete and use, delete and use. Following, right? This process we will follow in controlling. Right? This is the CO number range, business transaction, document type. Any question, sir? CO business transaction, CO number range. Okay, you can note down now. You can note down FI, FI we have the document type. Note down FI level. In FI we have document type, document types, and number range group, number range group. During the transaction data posting in FI we have document types and number range group. During transaction data posting, we have to specify document type in header. We have to specify document type in header. We have to specify document type in header. Based on document type, Based on document type and number range group, program will pick up the program will pick up the program will pick up the backend document type number range group number ranges. Okay, F-02 example, document type SCA, F-02 document type SCA, F-02 document type SCA, number range group 01, based on number range group 01, based on number range group 01, we have to maintain the number ranges every year because FI number ranges are sorry, because FI number ranges are year dependent, we cannot carry forward the balance document numbers from one year to other years, from 1 year to other years. From 1 year to other years. Example observe below. You can note down LGMB 01 2022 1 all zeros to 1 all lines. 1 all zeros to 1 all lines. Posted till document number 1 all zeros 200. We cannot carry forward the balance number ranges balance number ranges balance number ranges balance number ranges to next year. next years. 2 next years. What is the balance number? Balance number is 01 all zeros 2012 01 all lines. These numbers are free, right? You can note down this. Free numbers. Next one. Next year number ranges. Next year number range. Next year number range 01 2023 01 2023. Generally companies are following the same number 01 all zeros to 01 all lines. For simple understanding purpose, simple classification purpose, companies are following the same numbers. Each year they will follow the same sequence. You can note down. First document number will create in 01 all zeros. Next 01 all zeros 1. Next 01 all zeros 1. Next 01 all zeros 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Sequential. This is FI. This already we are aware, right? We completed finance. Okay. We tested multiple document types. Addition to SAP provided document types, we created our own document types and tested, right? Yeah. Next, controlling. Side heading controlling. CO document type name is business transaction. CO document type name is business transaction. SAP linked all CO transactions. SAP linked the all CO transactions to business transactions. All CO transactions to business transactions in bracket document type. No need to specify the business transaction. No need to specify the business transaction in bracket document type. During the transaction posting. Program will pick up the business transaction from backend assignment. T code, transaction code, transaction code, CO, TC1, CO, TC2, CO, TC3. CO transaction 1, CO transaction 2, CO transaction 3. Example. CO transaction 1, CO transaction 2, CO transaction 3. First transaction for FICO posting, second transaction for planning posting, third transaction for period end posting. This is just example, sir. I will tell you the transaction codes separately. Okay. Just assume CO transaction is CO, TC1, TC2, TC3. Next one, every CO transaction code linked to business transaction in bracket document type in backend, in bracket document type close, document type close the bracket, in backend but each business transaction level we don't have number range group assignment. 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 We have to link CO business transaction to number range group manually. Observe below. CO transaction code, CO TC1, linked business transaction is CO A1. Linked business transaction is A1. No, this is not business transaction. Linked number range group. Sorry, number range group. Number range group is A1. And each number range group level, we have to maintain the document numbers. Each number range group level, we have to maintain the document number ranges. Note down this. Create the number range group and maintain year independent number ranges. A1, A2, A3. 1 all zeros, 1 all nines, 2 all zeros, 2 all nines, 3 all zeros, 3 all nines. Next one, link business transactions to CO number range group. Link business transaction to CO number range group. Business transaction COTC 1, 2, 3, a number range group A1, A2, A3. Using COT code, COTC1, posting the transaction data. Take a note down. During the posting, program will check the back-end business transaction. Program will check the back-end business transaction and pick up the year independent number range. Year independent number range from A1 number range group. From A1 number range group. Example, in 2022, 1000 documents posted. Last document 1 all zeros, 1 all zeros, 1000. Last document 1 all zeros 1000. Remaining balance numbers from 1 all zeros 1001 to 1 all zeros 1001 to 1 all nines, 1 all nines, it will carry forward to 2023. It will carry forward to 2023 and we can use right. In 2020, in 2023, 1000 documents posted. Last document 1 all zeros 2000, 1 all zeros 2000, 1 all zeros 2000. Available numbers in 2024. Available numbers in 2024. 1 all zeros 2000, 1 to 1 all lines. Right, sir? Any questions are till here? Any questions are till here? If no, then I will move to next. Sir, I will create 4 number range groups. I will create 4 number range groups. Okay. One is CO planning number range group. Okay. Next one CO actual postings number range group. Next third one FICO postings. And fourth one is month end process number ranges. Okay. Month end process number range group. Month end process number range group. Following, right? CO planning. Next one CO actual, FICO postings, FICO posting. One is plan month end process number range group, and fifth one actual month end process number range group. Okay, actual month end process number range group. Example, this is nine all zeros to 9 all nines. Okay, you can note down this example. Example, create below 5 CO number range groups. Create below 5 CO number range groups. Create below 5 CO number range groups. Right, sir? Transaction code is KANK. Transaction code is KANK. Already you noted yesterday. Path is same path. KANK, same path. You can note down this file. Completed, right? Yeah. I will create next. Okay. What is the path? SPRO IMG controlling, general controlling organization, maintain number ranges for controlling document. What is our controlling area? Yesterday we created the controlling area, right? LGCA. Controlling area LGCA. Controlling area LGCA. Controlling area LGCA. Click on maintain groups button. We have to maintain the groups. Maintain groups button, number range groups. Click on maintain groups button. Go to menu. Go to menu. Group create. Go to menu. Group create. This is the number range group creation. Number range group create. Go to menu. Group create. What is the first one? First one is 1 CO. 1 CO planning number range group. CO planning number range group. From number 1 all zeros to all nines. From number 1 all zeros to all nines. Maximum number, sir. Maintain maximum number. 10-digit number. Click on save button. Click on save button. Click on save button. So here number range group is not created, right? It will create automatically. Okay, if you click the save button, it will create automatically. Save. System will start from 1. Save. See, it is created the 1 number range group 1. Next to 2, 3, 4, 5, like that it will create. Okay, save. Select back. Select back. Go to menu group create. Go to menu group create. Go to menu group create. Same process, sir. No changes. Follow same process. Second one is to CO actual posting number range group. CO actual posting number range group. From number 3 all zeros to 4 all nines. 3 all zeros to 4 all nines. Click on save. Click on save. Okay. Click on save. So see, number range group is created too. Next to select back. Follow the same process. Click on back. Go to menu group create. Go to menu group create. FICO. FICO. FICO posting number range group, FICO postings number range group, FICO postings number range group. What is the number? From number 5 all zeros to 6 all nines. 5 all zeros to 6 all nines. Click on save. Click on save. Click on save. Select back. Select back. Fourth one, go to menu, group, create. Go to menu, group, create. 4, plan month in process number range group. Plan month in process number range group. From number 7 all zeros to 7 all zeros to 8 all nines. Save. Save. Next to select back. Select back. Same processor, no changes. This is 4th time we are creating. Select back. Next 5th one, go to group, create. Go to group, create. 5, actual month in process number range group. Actual month in process number range group. From number 9 all zeros to 9 all nines. Save. Save. Right? Yeah. Select back. Observe all business transactions. Observe all CO business transactions. Observe all CO business transactions. Note down some of. Please note down some of the business transactions. COIN coin. Observe all business transactions. Note down some of business transactions. COIN coin. FICO postings. Name is FICO postings. FICO posting document type or business transaction. Both are same, sir. COIN. RKP1. RKP1. Planning primary cost. RKP2. Planning activities. RKS. Statistical key figure. RKU1 repost cost. RKU1 repost cost. ETC. We have many, sir. We have many document types, right? More than 50 document types. Okay, same here. We have many, more than 50. Observe all. Observe all. Come down. Come down. Drag down. Come down. Same screen. Drag down. Come down. Observe. Observe. all 5 number range groups. Observe all 5 number range groups. Okay? Yes. Next step. Assign CO business transactions to. Assign CO business transaction to CO number range group. CO number range group. Sir, this is number range group now, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 number range groups. This number range groups we have to link to business transaction. Okay? Yeah. Just note down. During the transaction data posting, based on the error, we'll assign, based on the error, we'll assign this step. We'll assign this step. But in real time, we have to assign once this setup is completed. Once number range group setup is completed. Once number range groups setup completed. Once number range groups setup completed. Right, sir? Yeah. Sir, I will assign later based on the error, because if you assign now, it will not throw the any error, and we may miss to remember the business transactions. Okay, FI F-02, what is the document type? SA, right? Generally, we are using 90% SA document type. Same similar here, like during the document posting, we don't have option to enter the business transaction. If you link here, we cannot understand which document type number ranges are picking, right? That's why during the transaction data posting, now we are not assigning anything, it will throw the error. This business transaction number ranges are missing, first to assign that. Okay, based on that error, I will assign, okay, during the document posting. Okay, we completed the number range group. Next step, maintain controlling versions. Maintain controlling versions or define controlling versions. Maintain controlling versions or define controlling versions. Maintain controlling version. Define controlling version. Note down. Version is main key element in controlling. Version is main key element in controlling. Like ledgers in FI. Like ledgers in FI. Without version, we cannot do anything in controlling. Without version, we cannot do anything in controlling. In bracket, without ledgers, we cannot process anything in finance. Without ledgers, we cannot process. We cannot process any transactions in finance. Continue, sir. Don't close the bracket. 0L is a main ledger. 0L is a main ledger. Addition to 0L, we can create n number of non-leading ledgers. We can create n number of non-leading ledgers. Now close. In controlling version 0 1230 version 0 is a main version. In controlling, version 0 is main version. Addition to 0 version, we can create n number of other versions. We can create n number of other versions. Full stop. Next. 0 version is a main version in controlling. Zero version is the main version in controlling. Zero version is the main version in controlling. Only zero version level. We can post plan cost. We can post plan cost and actual cost. We can post plan cost and actual cost. And zero version values. We can settle it to finance. Zero version values we can settle it to finance. In bracket WIP, WIP, work in progress, comma, variance, WIP, variance, other order values. Close the bracket. Other versions level, we can post only one cost. We can post only one cost, either plan cost or actual cost, either plan cost or actual cost. We cannot post both. We cannot post both. And we cannot transfer other versions, and we cannot transfer other version values. We cannot transfer other version values from controlling to finance. From controlling to finance. From controlling to finance. From controlling to finance. Okay. So this version high level, this version is a main key element in controlling module. Version is main key element in controlling module. Without version, we cannot process any transactions in controlling. This is like ledger. This is like ledger. Sir, whenever activating the company code, okay, if you create any new company code, by default your company code linked to leading ledger. Okay, without a leading ledger, if you delete the leading ledger, then system, it will not allow you to process any transaction, because all your data, it is sitting in ledger level, either leading or non-leading. Okay, either leading or non-leading, ledger is important. It is a key element in FI. Same in controlling. Okay, version is key element in controlling. Without version, we cannot process any business transactions. Okay, here we have 0 version, default standard version like 0L, leading ledger. We know leading ledger importance, right? Same, similar, we have the 0 version 0. 0 version is the main version. Only 0 version level we can post plan cost and actual cost, and 0 version values we can settle it to finance as a WIP, variance or other cost. And other versions we can use for additional reporting. We cannot post both plan and actual cost to other versions. We can post either plan or actual to other versions. Okay, example, I created 1 version. I created 2 version, 3 version, 4 version. These versions, each additional versions, it will follow only 1 cost. We cannot capture 2 cost, plan and actual. Okay, following, right? Yes. Next line. Versions link to links to all controlling submodules, and each submodule wise we have to maintain separate settings. Observe below. One, controlling area settings. 2, profit center settings. 3, COPA settings. COPA, COPA settings, in bracket operating concern. And fourth one, project system settings. Project system settings. Project system settings. First one, controlling area settings. First side heading, controlling area settings. Controlling area settings, we have to maintain each financial year wise. Controlling area settings, we have to maintain each financial year wise. Each financial year, physical year, sir. Each physical year wise. These settings are divided into two types. 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 One is version plan settings. Version plan settings. Second one, version price calculation settings. Version plan settings, version price calculation settings. Okay, sir, I'm stopping here, it will take time. Okay, I will explain what is mean by planning and what is mean by price calculation with formulas. I will explain, it will take time. Okay, this concept I will cover in next session. Till here any questions, sir? Till here any questions? Any questions, any doubts, sir?